Pakistan's #1 cloud-based ERP, business management software for the pharmaceutical industry. Manage all key business processes with AVEEROS. AVEEROS Pharma and Field Force Management. The software takes the complexities out of your business. Get rid of piles of paper records, spreadsheets, standalone accounting, other disparate software, and hours of number crunching. With AVEEROS, you will have one unified business management suite encompassing ERP, financials, and field force management systems. Implement AVEEROS to increase efficiency. Give yourself real-time visibility and control. Based upon real-time data, AVEEROS enables you to make smart decisions so that you can effectively manage and grow your business. AVEEROS features and functionalities. AVEEROS offers a wide array of functions and functionalities, all designed with the industry's highest standards of excellence and customization capabilities. Accounts and finance management. Production and manufacturing management. Quality assurance and control. Distributor and corporate sales management. Customer relations management. Material planning management. Procurement and commercial management. Comprehensive management dashboards. Human resource and payroll management. Inventory management. Engineering management. Plus complete field force management system. As an AVEEROS client, you have the option to choose the entire AVEEROS solution package or build your own package of services. AVEEROS increase your sales team's productivity by 50% or more. The AVEEROS Field Force Management System puts powerful tools in the hands of your sales team and gives you a clear, real-time picture of your team's performance. The AVEEROS Field Force Management System can be used as a standalone system or used together with other AVEEROS modules. It is packed with the following and many other features. Management Dashboard. Performance Analysis. Customer Database. Daily, Monthly Planner. Route Planning. Interaction Tracking. Daily Call Reports. Gifting and Samples Management. Secondary Sales. Products Management. And Location Tracking. AVEEROS gives you the real-time capability to manage your team. Managers can track their team members' location and the details of their meetings with doctors, pharmacists, and other health professionals. AVEEROS is as indispensable for your pharmaceutical business as electricity that keeps the lights on and machines running. Designed for pharma by people who know pharma. Unlike one-size-fits-all options available through major foreign brands, AVEEROS business management software is designed by industry experts with years of work experience. They have created a system to meet the needs of those in the business. For more information, please feel free to contact us at www.aveeros.com.